Hey everybody, Paul Wooten here, coming back to you with another video. Yes, this is a old red line case, and anytime somebody brings one to you while you're sitting on their couch, you start to wonder what in the world is inside. So let's just go check that out. We'll try and zoom in on this guy here and see how it focuses. Boom. So this is a Lola GT70. Well played with, still rolls, has the bent axles, what have you on there. These were a big surprise. My uncle had said he had found some stuff and that I had some goodies waiting for me when I got there. And he actually brings out a couple big barrels, like a 3-gallon bucket full of Hot Wheels, Matchbox, other brands, and a couple other trays and another box. And then there was this case here, which had a mixture of Hot Wheels, Black Walls, Redlines, Lesney, Super Fast, all that good stuff. So we didn't have a whole lot of time to look at them while we were there, so we put them in the truck, and now we are looking at them firsthand. This is the Python. Not 100% sure on the exact shade, color, what have you, but it rolls pretty well still. Whoa, there you go. Take a car that was 51 years ago and still rolls, still playable condition. Take a car now, wait 50 years, we don't know what shape they're going to be in. Here we got a custom Camaro. This one here has seen some play time. If these cars could talk and tell us where they've been, what they've done, it'd be amazing. Be amazing. Trying to get that focus back. Let's do a little zoom in, zoom out, pull some of these other guys. Here is a Mustang that has seen better days. Missing the hood, missing the interior, but the dude still rolls. The rear rivet has let loose, but it still rolls. There you go. So now we've got the classic 36 coupe here. Got the rear seat, rumble seat opens up. Very nice. Blue. This old T-Bird here has seen way many better days. Windshield's a little broke. The color on it is almost beautiful, almost perfect. I mean, it's got some chips, of course, but the color on it, what have you, is pretty cool. Missing one of the bearings on this side, so even if I had some wheels to put on it, it would be hard to bring this one back. This one right here is called the Strip Teaser. This lifts up in the back. This one's in really good shape. 1970 Strip Teaser, Hong Kong. This one rolls pretty well too. Very cool. This one here, is this the Redline Club membership car? It's got some scuffs on the roof. The wheels on this side are in really good shape, but if you flip it around, it's missing the caps on this side. So with a number 3 on it, look at the base on that thing. The base is like perfect. Flip it over where we can see it. Mustang Boss Hoss. That's what that is. Made in Hong Kong. So is that the club car? Then we've got this swing wing. Did they give it the right name? Yeah. 1969. Metallic pink. Very nice piece. There you go. One of these days I'll get me a turntable where you can rotate all these. Diora. Still rolls well. Purple. Wheels are a little bit awkward. Now we got some of the heavyweights. So we've got this tow truck. Missing the hook. I'm sure there's reproductions of that left. You can buy them. This one here rolls pretty well. The hook goes up and down pretty well. We've got the ambulance. The rear hatch does open. Open it up and take a look inside. Got a gurney in there and a couch. A quick way to the hospital there, and a Hot Wheels. Was that a crack on the window? Probably. But I'd say it's in pretty good shape for the shape it's in. Next we have got, this I believe is the Snake and Mongoose. These have been well played with as well. The smaller wheels in the front are going every which direction. We got this dump truck. These are part of the heavyweights. This one's in the condition that it was. Pretty dirty. I need to clean it up. The only problem with this is this hinge on this one is broke. But what do you do for 48, 49, 50-year-old cars that were meant to be played with? Put him in the background, and the ones that I was the most excited about was this one. I always wanted this one, never picked one up, never had one in my collection. There was a couple different cabs. I'm not sure which cab goes with which one. I know the wrist red cab goes with this fire truck. Still has the ladder on the side, which is cool. As of right now, this stuff is not for sale or trade at this moment. Not really sure what I'm going to do with them. This here is a hauler. I think it's a car hauler or van lines. I forgot to look the name of this one up. But it had another cab. I don't know which cab it's supposed to have. This more olive one or this green cab. So I have an extra cab without a trailer. So I'm not sure which one. I guess you can pick for which one's worth more, right? So we got a few more red lines. This is more of the Blackwall era, the transition era. So we've got the large charge. If I can get it out of this other case real quick. This is in immaculate shape. I wouldn't say mint, but I would say it's pretty dang close. Flip over where we can see under it, Hong Kong, 1974 U.S. patent. Sweet. Wow. And we have this, I forgot to write down the name on this one. It's a Monte Carlo, I know that. The tampo on the hood's a little bit off. That may have been normal. This one's in really good shape as well. And then one last red line is the super van. Redline super van. And it had this one in there as well, which was just not redline, but the studs. But it was a pretty mint black wall. It was in there, so there we go. All right, got some Lesney stuff to show you next, and some other odd brand stuff. I appreciate you tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Leave comments down below. Tell me what colors these are. If I named any of them wrong, let me know that too. I'm sure you will. Until the next one, we'll see you then.